Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to change your phone number on the LinkedIn app when using a PC with the latest update. If you've recently switched numbers or just need to update your contact details, this quick guide will make sure your profile stays accurate and up to date. First, open your LinkedIn app on your PC. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the Me icon, which is where your profile and account settings are located. Click on it to move to the next step. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all of your key account controls and preferences. Next, within the Settings menu, navigate to Account Preferences to access different details connected to your account. Now, under Profile Information, you'll see several options related to your identity and how others see you on LinkedIn. Click on the section labeled Name, Location, and Industry. This will lead you to a space where your core profile details are stored. Within this section, scroll to find Contact Info. You'll notice an option called Edit Contact Info. Click on it, and LinkedIn will display the details currently connected with your profile, including your email and phone number. At the phone number bar, you'll be able to update your existing number or add a new one. Simply type in the updated number you want to use. Take a moment to double-check that it's accurate, especially if you plan to use this number for identity verification or two-step sign-in requests. Once you've entered your new number, look for the Save button and click it. Your updated phone number will immediately be linked to your LinkedIn account. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you've successfully changed your phone number on the LinkedIn app for PC. Keeping your contact info current ensures you stay connected with colleagues, recruiters, and other professionals without any interruptions.